Here we are at Stockbridge Road level. I mean Basin Road level crossing in West Sussex with Great Britain Level Crossings Channel. That's it, I think. This is your southern service to Portsmouth Harbour for 1612. Old Bosham bus. Surprised this crossing did do that weird hangman thing, because sometimes when it goes down it jutters and then goes down. They obviously fixed the problem then. Well done Network Rail. Oh, oops. Sorry about that, I accidentally just tripped on the skirt. I think it's coming that way, that.
So my sister, yeah, was her birthday, yeah, going to Valley Mill.
51 to Selsey.
Why didn't you go? You just sold a ticket.
Pretty sure it's coming this way again.
You know your brother's name?
900 to Goodwood. That has an interesting bipper on that. Interesting. It might be a double pass. There you are, Gatwick Express.
Oh, your feet hurt. You're gonna keep fucking complaining.
Oh, here it comes. 377434.
My feet, I've never
And
worn heels before now.
your
That's
and
easy,
it's
easier
your
to fit.
There's another one.
4:15 service to South Brighton.
Yeah.
No, not sort, but can I use it at the moment?
No, when we get to that's what I could with. Two of my mates died.
Be able to edit that now.
No, not heels. And it's actually really easy. So you sit like this.
Will you be able to edit it now? Don't know how to
Say
do that.
Jack.
What those transporters swearing?
I'm used to it.
Are you going?
If he's fine, yeah. He's a fucking, no, he's not Venus. He's not spoken to me. It's because I'm not talking to him much. And I'm not going to see him.
There he
So he's
comes.
not spoken to me. He's fine. Bro.
Three 87225. No, it is fine. Look at that end. Sorry, 226. Let's go south forward. Up they go. Don't know why that's... Oh! It's just did its hangman. Don't know why this is going off again. Literally just after the second closure. Right, this is your 1616 Southern service.
I love
to
trains. I love them so much. Let's get a video.
Chichester. So it's literally stopping here.
You do that name. I'll do exactly what you do.
So it's coming
No. Oh, look behind you.
that way.
No, it's actually alright. I reckon you could pull. Oh, you know that looks like a fake French cup.
52 to the ring.
And you can just
I mean,
stop.
Whittlings.
Yeah. Oh, you know, I think you can pull. You could pull something. Oh, she's telling everyone I'll kick that behind.
Wait, hit the button.
Yeah, of course. I don't know if you can start because of her.
Did you get suspended? Yeah,
Right. 377 316.